Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure you unplug the appliance before beginning. Your first step is to remove the screws at the rear of the control panel to release it. Next, open the dryer door and remove the screws inside the door frame which secure the main top. Carefully unhook the control panel tabs from the main top. Then lift up the top and remove. Uninstall the screws securing the front panel. Now, lift the front panel up and rotate it to the side. Remove the screw or screws securing the sides of the cabinet to the support panel. Now reach under the drum and push the idler pulley to release the tension on the belt. Then unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. Use the belt to help lift out the drum. Next, disconnect the motor wire harness, as well as the belt switch wires. Disconnect the power cord connector and the door wires. If applicable, move the switch guard out of the way. After noting their position, disconnect the door switch wires. Now feed the wires through the support panel. Remove the screw securing the motor grounding wire. Next, remove the screw securing the cycling thermostat and move the thermostat out of the way. Uninstall the screws on the back of the motor mounting bracket. And the screws at the front of the support panel. Move the wires out of the way. Slide the blower wheel and motor assembly out of the housing and detach the idler arm. Now remove the blower wheel and motor from the cabinet and set it on a sturdy surface. Use pliers to secure the motor shaft as you rotate the old blower wheel counterclockwise to remove. Be aware this may require some effort. Install the new blower wheel by threading it clockwise onto the motor shaft. Secure the shaft as you tighten the wheel. Return the motor and blower wheel assembly to the cabinet. Reattach the idler arm and slide the assembly into the housing. Confirm that the idler arm correctly activates the belt switch. Feed the wires back into position. Replace the screws securing the assembly to the support panel. And the ones securing it to the mounting bracket. Replace the screw to secure the grounding wire. Position the cycling thermostat on the blower housing. And secure the screw. Feed the door wiring harness through the support panel. Reconnect the door switch wires. Reposition the switch guard if necessary. And reconnect the door wire connector. Reconnect the power cord connector. Reconnect the belt switch wires and the motor wire harness. Replace the drum in the cabinet by aligning the drum shaft and bearing with the bearing retainer on the rear panel. Reach under the drum and thread the belt onto the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Now, rotate the drum to help align the belt. Replace the screw or screws securing the sides of the cabinet to the support panel. Reposition the front panel by first aligning the tabs in the base with the slots in the panel. Now lift up the drum and snap the front panel into place. Secure the screws. Replace the main top by aligning the slots in the top with the tabs on the frame. Then reinstall the screws in the door frame to secure. Reposition the control panel by inserting the tabs into the slots at the back of the main top. Replace the screws in the back to secure. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the appliance is functioning properly.